Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking one diary format and locking that choice in. Consistency matters more than perfection. Once chosen, create a reliable trigger after brushing teeth or during your commute and commit to 5 minutes each day. Use simple prompts: gratitude, one win, one challenge, and write 3 quick lines. This removes decision friction and builds momentum. By starting immediately with micro sessions, you convert intention into habit, so you get entries instead of excuses. You now deepen the practice with a repeatable structure: context, insight, and next action. This gives each entry utility rather than noise. Start by reviewing yesterday for 2 minutes, then spend 8 to 12 minutes writing. Time blocking keeps you focused. Tag entries with emotion, project, or priority so you can search later. Once done, schedule one weekly review to convert insights into tasks. This approach turns raw notes into decisions and preserves what truly matters. You finish by embedding review and backups into your routine. This is where diaries produce outcomes. Schedule a 15 to 30-minute weekly review to extract actions, archive old notes, and set priorities for the week ahead. If life interrupts and you miss days, shrink sessions to 2 or 3 minutes. Short bursts rebuild the habit without pressure. Finally, make backups. Sync to the cloud or photo scan pages and run a monthly check. If entries feel stale, change prompts to regain clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.